Hello students, as we have studied the rules of divisibility, the rules of divisibility, or I can say the test of divisibility of numbers, we have seen the rules for the number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So we have seen the divisibility rules for this number. So now this is the time that we have to use that rules for the sums. So let's start with the exercise 3.3 question number 1. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5, by 6, by 8, by 9, by 10, by 11, and we have to write the yes or no in the particular box. So instead of yes, here I will write the symbol of right sign, and instead of no, we will do the symbol of wrong, as we don't have that much space to write the yes or no. So we will do this two symbol. Yes means correct symbol, true or false. So here we have to remind the divisibility rules, and we have to check whether this number is divisible by particular number or not, and according to that we have to put the sign right or wrong. So let's begin with the first number. First number is 128. The first number is 128. We have to check it is divisible by 2 or not. 2 के लिए we have to check the last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So here it is a 8. So yes, this number is divisible by 2. Then it is a right. Next, 3. So what is the rule for 3? The sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. So let's do the sum of the digit. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 is divisible by 3? No. So this number is not divisible by 3. Fourth one. What is the rule for 4? Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Last 2 digit means this 28 should be divisible by 4. 4 sevens are 28. Yes, 28 आता है 4 के टेबल में. So this whole number is divisible by 4. What is the rule for 5? Last digit should be 0 or 5. Last digit is 8. So not possible. So this one is wrong. Means this number is not divisible by 5. What is the rule for 6? The number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. It is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. So this is not acceptable, because 6 के लिए rule है कि दोनों से divisible होना चाहिए. So it is not divisible with 6. So number 8. What is the rule for 8? Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Means 128 should be divisible by 8. So let's check it. 128 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. Not possible. So 8 ones are 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. 8 will be down. Then 8 6 are 48. So remainder is 0. Means this last 3 digits. Last 3 digits are 128. So 120 is divisible by 8. So this number is divisible by 8. 9. 9 means addition of the number. Addition क्या आया? 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. मैं यहाँ पे लिख देती हूँ. 11 is not divisible by 9. So wrong. 10 means last digit should be 0. It is 8. So not possible. 11. Sum of the alternative number digits. Sum of the alternative digits, or the sum of even number places and odd number places. Then we have to find the difference. And that difference should be divisible by 11. Means even places and odd places को अलग अलग plus करेंगे. And उसका difference find करेंगे. And that difference should be divisible by 11. So let's see. 2 तो ऐसे ही रहेगा, अलग number है. 1 plus 8 is, 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 के टेबल में कभी भी 11 आएगा? No. So it is not divisible by 11. Second one, 990. So what we have to check first for 2. Rule for 2 is last digit should be even number. Yes, 0 is even. So this number is divisible by 2. Now for 3, sum of all the digits 9 plus 9, 18 plus 0, 18. So 3 के table में 18 आएगा. Yes, so this number is divisible by 3. What is the rule for 4? Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. So let's divide 90 with 4. As you can see, when we divide 90 with 4, last 2 digits are 90. 90 को 4 से divide करेंगे, remainder is 2. So this 990 is not divisible by 4. What is the rule for 5? Last digit should be 0 or 5. So last digit is 0. So yes, it is divisible by 5. For 6, it should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Yes, this number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So it is divisible by 6 as well. What is for 8? Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. So last 3 means 990 itself. So as you can see that when we divide the 990 with 8, it leaves the remainder 6. So this 990 is not divisible by 8. So we will put the sign of cross. Now rule for 9 is the addition of this number should be divisible by 9. 18 is divisible by 9. Yes, 9 2 is 18. So yes, 10 means last digit should be 0. Yes, 11. The sum of alternative places and the difference of that. So sum of alternative means 9 तो ऐसे ही रहेगा. 9 plus 0 is 9. This one is the 9. This one is the 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. So 0. Yes, 0 से तो divisible है. So this 990 is divisible by 11. Third one, 1586. It is divisible by 2. Rule is last digit is even. Yes, so this number is divisible by 2. For 3, sum of the digits 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 20. 20 is divisible by 3? No, so this number is not divisible by 3. What is the rule for 4? Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. 86. Now let's check 86 is divisible by 4 or not. As you can see here, when you divide the 86 with 4, it's leave the remainder 2. So this number 1586 is not divisible by 4. 5. 5 means last digit should be 0 or 5. Nor 0 nor 5. So not divisible by 5. For 6, it should be divisible with both 2 and 3. 2 and 3 दोनों से होने चाहिए. नहीं हो रहा है दोनों से. So not divisible by 6. For 8, last 3 digit. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. So let's check 586 divide by 8. So as you can see, when we divide the 586 with 8, it's leave remainder 2. So this number 1586 is not divisible by 8. The next number, addition is 20. 20 is not divisible by 9. So this whole number is not divisible by 9. What is for 10? Last digit should be 0. नहीं है कुछ भी. So it is not divisible by 10. 11. 11 means addition of alternative places. 5 plus 8 is 9. Means याद रख लो यहाँ पे इन दोनों का 9. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. So 2 is not divisible by 11. So not divisible by 11. Next 275. So for 2, last digit should be even number. Last digit is not an even number. So this number is not divisible by 2. For 3, sum of all the digits. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 is not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 3. For 4, last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. So 75 divided by 4. You can see here, when we divide the 75 with 4, it's leave remainder 3. So this whole number is not divisible by 4. For 5, last digit should be 0 or 5. So yes, it is divisible by 5. For 6, it should be divisible by both the numbers. It is not divisible. So it is not divisible by 6 as well. For 8, last 3 digit. Last 3 digit means 275 itself. 3 digit 275 divided by 8. It leaves the remainder 3. So this 275 is not divisible by 8. So this number is not divisible by 8. For 9, sum of the digit. Sum of the digit is 14. 14 will not divisible by 9. So this is wrong. 10 means last digit should be 0. So it is not a 0. So not divisible by 10. 11. The sum of alternative places. तो यहाँ पे चेक करते 5 plus 2 7 और यहाँ पे 7 तो है तो 7 minus 7 इन दोनों का 7 और ये तो एक ही है तो 7 minus 7 is 0. Yes, 0 is divisible by 11. So this number is divisible by 11. So next 6 6 8 6. The rule for 2 is last digit should be even number. Yes. So yes, 3. Sum of the digits. 6 plus 6 plus 6. 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. So 26. So 26 is divisible by 3 or not? 26 is not divisible by 3. So cross. For 4. Last 2 digit. So we have to check the 86 is divisible by 4 or not. As you can see, when we divide the 86 with 4, it leaves the remainder 2. 86 with divide by 4, it leaves the remainder. So it is not divisible by 4. 5. Last digit should be 0 or 5. So not divisible. 6 means it should be divisible with both 2 and 3. So this one is also wrong. 8. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. So 686 divided by. So when we divide the 686 with 8. When we divide the 686 with the 8, it leaves the remainder 1. So 686 is not divisible by 8. 9. Sum of the digits. Sum of the digit was I think 12. 18 plus 8, 26. So 26 is not divisible by 9. So no. 10. Last digit 0. No. For 11. Sum of the alternative. 6 plus 8 is 14. And 6 plus 6 is 12. So 14 minus 12 is 2. 14 minus 12 आप कर सकते हो पेन पेपर लेके you can check it. 14 minus 12 is 2. So it is not divisible by 11. So this whole number is not divisible by 11. So as you have seen there, we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that you have to practice it by yourself. Because there is no meaning if I will solve all these sums over here, if I will show all the divisibility. So you have to do it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then after you can check the answers and then you can verify the answer with these answers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 कर दिया है और बाकी के जो 5 है वो अपने आप प्रैक्टिस करके आंसर्स लिखो. आप डायरेक्टली कहीं भी कॉपी करके if you will write the right and wrong, there is a no meaning. So please try to solve it by yourself and if you have any question then leave the comment in the comment box. I will give you the answers of your question. So solve this last 5 by yourself and you can write the answers and not write. You can verify your answers with these answers. So here is the answer of all the last 5 questions. So you can verify your answers here. Don't copy down the answers. Try to solve it by yourself. जब तक अपने आप नहीं करोगे, you will not get the clear idea how to apply the divisibility rules. So here we have done with the first question of exercise 3.3 using the divisibility rules. Thank you.